Hi and welcome to locksmithstoolbox.com. Just looking at the SouthOrd lockpick set, which is the STH PXS-14, available from locksmithstoolbox.com for under $50. And like all SouthOrd lockpicks, is stainless steel material, is very flexible, and it's tested to 270,000 psi. But lockpicking, you only need feather touch, so this pick set will last a lifetime. Rubber handles. A lot of traditional picks are metal. These are a lot lighter. I like these. This is my own pick set I have. Nice and light. And this has hook pick, diamond pick, and snake pick. 4 tension wrenches and a spare pick, which is an all-rounder. Also a key extractor, and the diamond pick is suited to pin tumbler locks. The snake or rake snake picks, disc locks, and hook picks are great for reaching to the back of the lock. If you have the pin is high while the last pin is set low, so you can get underneath. Mountain pick suits a variety of mainly raking, but see how it suits certain types of keyways. How can I show you this? But is also suited to raking. Diamond pick is, I'll show you again, is the most versatile pick. When used with a tension wrench of your choice. Which is not that one. It's better. And at the back, and then lifting each pin, and then you have it. So the diamond pick, great, is designed for pin tumbler locks. Also, you've got wafer. Look at the wafer lock here now. I find these on tilter doors, right? Of course. Get this in somehow. Stick to this. I'll make this look straight. There it goes. Don't forget, a lot of SouthOrd products on our website. Great variety. Lockpick guns. Easiest way to pick a lock. But here we are looking at the lockpick set here, the PXS-14. Okay, so this is a tilted door lock. Pin there. It's locked at the moment. I like this smooth rake pick. And just by raking it softly, that's it. A great lockpick set. We'll have you unlocking locks sooner than you think. All under $50. Thank you from locksmithstoolbox.com.